Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will show how to remove a Miata hardtop. First, you'll need to unlock the two latches located above the windshield. These are usually simple levers that flip open. Next, move to the sides of the car and release the two latches found near the windows. Finally, reach behind the seats to unfasten the two rear latches. Ensuring all 6 are disengaged is crucial for the next step. Before lifting, remember to disconnect any electrical connections, especially if your hardtop has a rear defroster. These are typically small plugs that unclip easily. Double-check that all 6 latches, the 2 front, 2 side, and 2 rear, are completely disengaged and not catching on anything. This prevents damage during removal. Finally, it's highly recommended to have a second person help you lift the hardtop. With assistance, carefully lift the hardtop straight up and away from the car. It's important to lift evenly to avoid twisting or straining the frame. Once clear, gently place the hardtop on a secure stand or a soft, padded surface. Never drag it across the ground or a hard surface, as this can easily scratch the paint or damage the seals. Proper storage protects your investment. When you're ready to reinstall your hardtop, carefully align it back onto the car, ensuring all mounting points line up. Securely fasten all 6 latches, the 2 front, 2 side, and 2 rear, making sure they are tight for a snug, rattle-free fit. This also helps maintain the weather seal. Remember to reconnect any electrical defroster wires. For other great deals, including a link to some fantastic darn tough socks with a lifetime warranty, check the description below this video.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.